Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 8 of working on the 71 Comet GT. And today we should be putting in the 347, or at least getting it set in the car. I don't know about having everything hooked up and running, but we should be able to get it in there. My brother's on his way over, and we'll have to come up with some sort of a plan on what we're going to do first, second, third, etc., and then implement it. We're about to start work on this. We've got to push the car back so we can have some room in here. All right, did you get the block of wood out from there? Just go back a few feet. That's probably good. Yeah, so now we got room. Because we need to take the carburetor off, put that engine plate on, screw the gas fitting into the fuel pump, and just start going at it. I'm going to time lapse it. We need to take some fittings out of the intake. One for the power brake, vacuum fitting in the back. And then we got to take off the water temperature sender fitting. And that last one over there is for the heater hose. The time-lapse video make that look like it went a lot smoother than it did. We probably spent close to 3 hours fighting with it, trying to get the header in either from the top down or bottom up, but we never had the engine in the correct position to do that. So we ended up just putting it down in there on the mounts, no header on this side. And then next we'll try putting the header in from the bottom as if you just went out and bought headers and put them on your car. So we might have to lift that side of the engine up, make it easier to get to the bolts. But for right now, the engine's down. It's on the mounts. The chain's loose. And it was a battle, but the fight continues. We got a lot to hook up. We had to order a spacer for the harmonic balancer to space out the pulleys another inch so everything lines up. Because that's a different balancer than what was on the engine before. We're getting there, slow but sure. We were able to snake the header up from the bottom by jacking the front of the car up and lowering the transmission. I got the trans lines hooked up on this side, shifter cable hooked up on the other side. And next we're going to be hooking up that header from the top side. What we're also going to do is take the motor mount off this passenger side, use the chain fall to lift the engine, tilt it on an angle to make it easier to put those bolts in. I'm going to time lapse it for that. All right, we had a pretty good day today. Murphy didn't bother us hardly at all. We got headers hooked up. All the spark plug wires are on, and the looms are on. We have a lot of things hooked up. Carburetor, throttle linkage. Some of the wiring is there. Still need to put the front accessory drive on the engine. Can't do that until I get the spacer for the bottom harmonic balancer pulley. And of course the radiator. Having a new radiator made, and that won't be done until possibly tomorrow, but most likely Monday. Today's Thursday. But all in all, we had a good day. Oh, the engine also came with a new air cleaner. I'll put that on there. See what it looks like. That. Looking real nice. But that's going to bring us to the end of part 8. Working on the 71 Comet GT, Dan's Messy Garage. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to my channel for updates on this project and other projects to come. Bye.